Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 14th, 2025, we're analyzing XAUUSD, digging into both the latest news and the charts to find potential trading opportunities. Gold has been quite volatile lately, so let's break down what's happening. Recent news indicates gold is under pressure, with XAUUSD dropping below $3,200 due to trade optimism and rising U.S. yields. Reports suggest that the U.S. and China de-escalating their trade war and softer-than-expected U.S. CPI data has reduced safe haven demand for gold. The market is currently eyeing key support levels, with the 50-day moving average around $3,150 being a critical point to watch. Now, let's switch to the daily chart to see how this news is reflected in price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that XAUUSD has experienced a significant pullback from its recent highs. It appears that the previous bullish pennant formation is now under pressure, and a break below $3,200 could trigger a deeper correction. The long-term bullish structure is still intact, but short-term weakness is evident. A key level to watch is $3,151, which is the 50-day moving average, and a break below this level could signal further downside. Let's narrow the focus to the last few months. We can see the recent decline more clearly. A potential support area around $2,300, if broken, could lead to further declines. The price is currently near the upper range of this period. Now, let's examine the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular view of recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can observe the struggle around the $3,200 level. The 200 SMA is acting as resistance around $3,232, and a clear break above this level would signal a potential bullish reversal. However, if prices continue to decline, support levels around $3,173 and $3,158 will be critical to watch. To understand the short-term momentum, let's dive into the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart reveals the immediate struggle to find direction. We can see prices fluctuating, with short bursts of both buying and selling pressure. It's a choppy market right now. In summary, XAUUSD is currently facing bearish pressure due to trade optimism and potentially weak inflation data. Key price levels to watch include the $3,200 support, the $3,151 50-day moving average on the daily, and the $3,232 200 SMA on the hourly chart. A break below $3,200 could lead to further downside towards $3,151 or even $3,057 based on Fibonacci retracement levels. A move above $3,232 on the hourly chart would suggest a potential bullish reversal targeting $3,450 to $3,500. If trade war tensions increase again and the dollar weakens, XAUUSD could see a strong bounce. However, any further rate hikes by the Fed could push it down even further. Keep an eye on the news and, most importantly, manage your risk.